Hey guys, my name is Mike and I won these pair of i4s on Marker Bids, Monday the 22nd. I'm here doing an unboxing video. I won these for about 70 cents, but I ended up in reality spending $5 for the bids. They were shipped out the 23rd, and yeah. I got them in black and gold, as you can see, right here. New out of the box. Got a Dime membership card for the magazine. Yeah, it's a pretty neat mask. It comes with this carrying case. Neat little mask right here. It comes with owner's manual, die sticker, and warning tag. Alright, thanks for watching.